Hello, so this right here is a hydrangea, and let's say you have a hydrangea that looks kind of like this and it's mid to late spring and you didn't get a chance to deadhead the flowers or prune it. You can still deadhead, you just want to be sure that you don't prune off any of this year's potential flowers. Some hydrangeas bloom on old wood, some bloom on new wood, and some bloom on new and old, but since we hypothetically don't know what kind of hydrangea this is, we have to be careful where we cut. If you look closely, you can see that there are already little flower bract clumps forming. And by the way, all these quote flowers are actually bracts. The flowers themselves are these little tiny things right there. You can actually see that they're kind of shaped like little seed pods. This is just a side note, but this right here is most likely containing a bug. So I'm just gonna cut that off, pinch it off, and let's see what's inside. Okay, here we go. So that's what's in there. Nasty. So if you see anything like that all over your hydrangea, cut it off, throw it away. So there we have 2 leaves that are dealing with that. I'm just gonna cut down here. And then make sure to throw this piece into the trash so that we don't get this anymore. This one's actually wrapped around a flower, so let's see if I can even save this one. I think it'll be okay. Let's look inside. Yuck. Okay, so back to the original point of this post. This is a flower head, and I'm just gonna go all the way down to where it meets the first set of leaves and cut. That is just deadheading. This is dead wood. And I didn't risk cutting away any flowers that I would have had otherwise. So here's another one, just going right there and cutting where it meets the stem. And well, while I'm at it, I'm just gonna cut these as well. Of course, you could totally leave it like this and it would be fine, other than these. This one's definitely making me lose a flower, but that's just one, so it'll be okay. If you cut a stem like that, this is just going to brown, so might as well go a little lower. If you were to cut the flower head right there, that would be fine, but you have this stick sticking out of it, so that's the reason I'm going all the way down. That one looks like a little cheerleader. Yay! Sorry, cheerleader. Whoa, it got windy all of a sudden. There's like webbing and what were going to be flowers right there. This one looks like a bug tried to do something and then stopped, so I think we're okay. Here are some other interesting ones. They look like they're like partial process and then stopped. Weird. But there's one there, so we'll just cut that. Trying really hard to grab them. Ah! There we go. Now this one's just a hot mess. I don't know what's going on here. Oh. This one looks iffy. Ooh, this one looks like it, I don't know, opened and spread already. Oh, there's a stick. Cut that. Gross. Here's one that looks like it probably broke off sometime in the winter. There's the after. So yeah, it looks much better, much cleaner. Now there's space for it to flower, and that it turned into a video I wasn't expecting to make because I hadn't noticed the sacks, leaf sacks. But it's going to be a much happier plant if you get rid of those for sure. And now I'm off to pick them up and throw them in the trash. Right into the trash. High five. Whoa, I just saw the sun like glittering through the trees over there. Whoa, dude. We're supposed to have northern lights showing today, but right now we have these clouds. Anyway, if we have northern lights, I'll show you. I'm really excited too because the raspberries are coming. They're so cute right now. If you ever get a chance to grow raspberries, they're extremely easy. I do nothing. The fall gold is 10 out of 10. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and check out our shop. Thanks for watching.